Hello, I'm Anushka. Welcome to this week's vlog. This week was very productive. I was very happy and it was kind of interesting as well. This week I completed my pharmacology. Finally, it took me almost a month to complete my pharmacology, but I'm happy that I completed it. This week I've also tried to adopt some new study habits and we will see how they get me along in the future. Right now, I'm going to tell you about each study habit each day as we go along this vlog. So keep watching. First things first, do not compromise on your sleep or on your food because those are the two things that are really important for you to maintain your healthy body and mind. And also, if possible, then do some exercise, maybe some light yoga or whatever you like to do, whichever will just keep you going throughout the day. I absolutely love food and I'm so glad to be home to be eating food made by my mom almost every single day. Second, well, it's not something new. It is something that I have been using for quite some weeks or months. I might say that I tell myself that I have no social life, I have no friends whom I should talk to, or if there's anything interesting on Instagram or any of the social medias. So, like when I tell myself all these things, I just do not use all these social medias and I feel like there's only one thing left for me to do and that is studying. So it might seem crazy at first that you're telling yourself that you have nothing else to do, but seriously I have nothing else to do. Frankly speaking, it has become quite easy for me to actually think that I have nothing else to do and study, because if I study this way, then it is so much more relaxed studying and I don't have any stress and I quite enjoy studying this way because I feel like, yeah, I have nothing else to do. So, like, enjoy study and do more out of my study than when I feel like, yeah, I have other tasks to do. And also, like, this way I'm able to finish my work on time and I have rest of my day off. So like when I'm done finishing for that day, I can just relax and enjoy. Also, I will say that plan your breaks in between your study sessions because it is really very important for your brain and also to keep your sanity. For me, Pomodoro works the best, and for my breaks, I either just do some walking or I just go for some snacks. Third habit which I have developed is that when I used to like study earlier, I used to do as many things as I possibly could in a day, and that would really overburden me. And the next day, I wouldn't be able to do it. Meaning, I wouldn't I was not consistent that way because I really used to stuff my brain with lots of stuff, and the next day, I did not had the energy or the mood to study. So, if you have set yourself a target for the day, and if you're done for the day, then I would recommend that you should take a break because you deserve it. You have worked hard and you should just relax and enjoy. Watch some TV, some comedy, or whatever you like to do. Go out, have walk. Your body and your mind really needs that. It has really helped me to be consistent from Monday to Friday. I have really studied well compared to what I used to do previously because I have never been this consistent, which I was this week. So, yeah, that was an achievement. I had finished pharmacology a day before, so I thought it was good time to start another subject. For this, when you are studying, try including different things into your study sessions like read books, watch video lectures, make notes, do revisions, and do MCQs. And I know the importance of this thing, but still, I haven't been doing MCQs for quite some while because maybe I was just afraid of failing. Maybe I thought that I should know everything before I do MCQs, but that is not the correct way. And I started doing MCQs recently because so I came across this new feature on PrepRadar which is about streaks. So for every day, if you do a minimum number of target like watch hours or MCQs, so you get a streak. And right now I have a 4 day streak. Means for 4 days continuously I have at least done some watch hours or I have done some MCQs. I am trying to do 100 MCQs, and that is actually good, and it might keep me on my toes because even before I go to sleep, I just feel like no, I have to do this and I will complete my MCQs or just watch videos. So yeah, that is something good. So I told you that in my breaks I usually eat snacks. So that is what I'm doing. I'm trying to make a salad which my mom taught me, and it is absolutely delicious. It's chili, it's like spicy as well. So I used radish, I grated it, and I added some tomato and some chilies and lemon and salt. I also put the salad in fridge for some time so it would be a little cold when I eat it. And yes, it was just absolutely delicious. You should definitely try it and let me know if you have actually tried it. That day, I don't know for what reasons, but my computer was not working properly, and someone suggested that I should actually reset my computer. So that is what I did, and it took almost 3 hours. And guess what I did for most of those hours? I studied, I tried to do a lot of treasures. This is one more thing I'm doing, that is writing my treasures down in a copy, and that actually helps a lot in revisions. You can find these near your notes in PrepLadder app. Is that do not stress out, and it's quite a simple thing to say but a very difficult thing to incorporate into your life. And like, yeah, there will be times like what I had this week when I thought that I won't be able to make a vlog because my computer was not working properly. But yeah, I just knew that I had to reset it and things will be fine, and I will do whatever I can. And here I am making a vlog. So yeah, like anything can happen, all the unexpected things. So what you can do is just flow with the flow, just give yourself time and not over exaggerate things, and just know that the most important thing is to study. So most of the morning, like after I resetted my computer, I spent into downloading apps again. And after that, I was like, while the apps were downloading and my computer was going back to normal, I did study, and I still completed my minimum number of MCQs and watch hours. So yeah, that was something that I will say that you can try if you want to. So the most important thing is to study, and that is what you should do, and other all things are rest. And if you can manage like putting other things into your day, then that is like okay. But just focus on your studies, and I think things will be fine. I'm also going to tell you what my seniors told me is not to just focus on finishing subjects but rather on learning subjects. So that is why MCQs are important, because they will actually just keep me settled, and they will actually allow me not to finish my course really fast and not learn things in the process. So MCQs will actually help me revise and let me know what are my weak points. So that is why MCQs are most important, and you should try them as much as possible. We had a relaxed Friday, and I was so glad for it because our teacher told us that we could just be online, and she wouldn't ask us in this class, but she would like ask us in another class combined. So yeah, that is, you can also ask your teachers sometimes if they're willing that you don't want to answer, or you just want to have a relaxed time. So they might even not ask you anything in the class, and they might ask you in another class. Well, that is all for this week. I hope you were able to learn something and I was able to tell you something new. If I did, then please let me know in the comment section below. And also, like, I had a wonderful week previously, and I hope to have another wonderful week in the next coming week. But we don't know what can happen. I will just tell you to study very well and focus on your life, and just think about your future. Not too much, be in the present actually. And just be happy as much as possible. And even if you're not, just don't feel depressed. This time will just pass. Well, at last, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you have any suggestions or questions, leave them in the comment section down below, or on the Instagram, or on Gmail. I would love to hear from you. And thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, take care.